Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is our last video together, and it feels a little bittersweet, right? I'm sad to say goodbye, but I'm also really grateful because I feel like this time that we've spent together has made me a better reader of mysteries, but has just made me a better reader of all stories. So thank you. Are you ready? I think we can do one more reading strategy together. Okay, let's do it. Readers, today I want to teach you. Really, I want us to think together that as a reader of fiction, we can predict the same way readers of mystery predict, but we can predict drawing on all we know about the character to predict what will happen next. How will it all turn out? And we can use what we already know about those characters from earlier to help us make those predictions super duper strong. So let's think back to the book Hair Love or the movie Hair Love, depending on which one you watched or read. And I want to think about this moment because I don't know if you were predicting the same thing as me, but I remember the moment where Dad puts the hat on Zuri, and I thought to myself, oh no, this is not the end. Dad is going to keep trying to help Zuri to do her hair. I felt like that was what was going to happen next. So it's a fine prediction, but if I draw on all I know about these characters from earlier, I think I can make it better. So look back with me. I remember this part here from the very beginning where Zuri's talking about her hair and how magical it is, and she says, "Daddy tells me it is beautiful. That makes me proud. I love that my hair lets me be me." So I know that she loves her hair so much, and that Dad loves her hair so much, that it's important to her. Okay. Oh, I remember this part too. Ready? Daddy was still sleeping. Shh, I said to Rocky as we tiptoed past him. Lately, Dad has been worn out. He makes me breakfast, takes me to school, goes to work, picks me up, and yesterday we went for a bike ride around the park. I think he needs a break. Okay, what are we learning here about the characters? Well, I'm learning that it's just Dad who's here to help, but doesn't seem like anybody else is helping them. It's just Dad and Zuri and Rocky. Dad's been working really hard. Like, right? He's doing all this stuff to help Zuri, like making sure she's eating and going to school, and he's working, and they play together. They go on bike rides, and he seems to really, really love and care for his daughter Zuri, like so much. He's working so hard. So I think if he's working so hard and he loves her and he loves her hair, then I can make this prediction even better. I predict that Dad will keep trying to help Zuri to do her hair because he loves Zuri. He has worked really hard to take care of her all by himself. He also knows how beautiful and special her hair is, so he will try and help her. They won't give up until it is just right. Readers, my first prediction was good, but when I was able to really draw on all I knew about these characters from earlier, my prediction grew so much stronger. Will you take a moment and think about your books? You probably know a lot about your characters already. Think about it. Just think for a second. What do you already know about them? I know that I remember from earlier that in the part I just read, they also, did you remember a lot about them? Yeah. And so when you go to predict what's going to happen next in your book, you want to take all that stuff that you just said and bring it forward so you can predict in the best, strongest way possible. All right, for the very last time, let's look back at our chart together. This is crazy. Look how much you have learned. This is like so worth celebrating. As a reader of fiction, you can do a lot of different things. One of them is predict, but you can be thinking about the problem. You can be thinking about the characters. You can be taking action when parts get tricky and retelling and use what you know about how stories go and ask yourself, what's the mind work that this book and this part is signaling me to do? You've done a lot and you are ready. Think what's going to be your work today. Don't have a plan. Remember, you can sketch or write or talk, but find a way to hold on to that beautiful, beautiful thinking work. Thank you again for this reading journey together. And remember, these videos are here for you. So if you want to rewatch this one or any of them, go right ahead. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody.